Wrap the door handle with aluminum foil. Everyone is doing it now. The purpose of this trick will surprise you. All you need is regular aluminum foil. Tear off a fairly large strip and roll it into a ball. Then take a standard Ziploc bag. Place the aluminum foil ball inside the bag. Fill the bag with water, more than halfway. Now, close the bag with the ball inside, making sure to remove any air. You need to make a hole in this bag. A long toothpick works best for this. Use it to poke a hole. Next, take a string. Thread it through the hole and tie it. Tie the ends of the string together. Now the bag is ready. Trust me, it works wonders. Place it on the door handle by your front door. No stray animals will approach your home. The light reflecting off the water and foil, both day and night, scares animals away. Stray dogs or cats won't come to your house anymore. This method is also useful if you live in the countryside or near a forest, where deer or wild boars might pay you an unexpected visit. This simple homemade spray works so effectively that rodents will avoid your home for many months. Start by preparing a glass container. Add 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Thanks to its strong scent, mint is a natural repellent. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Pour in 300 milliliters of hot water. Stir and let it cool. Then, prepare a second glass container and a strainer with cheesecloth. Strain the mint infusion and add 200 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Moreover, its sharp scent repels pests. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, which makes it easy to apply. This homemade remedy works as a protective shield against mice, rats, cockroaches, ants, and other insects. Just spray it where pests appear or where they may enter the house. It's a simple yet extremely effective solution that can be used both indoors and outdoors. If you do this, ants, cockroaches, and other insects will disappear from your home. Leave it in the drawer, spice cabinet, on the windowsill, or on the countertop, and you won't see any ants or cockroaches anymore. Thanks to this, you'll have peace from these pests. A regular green cucumber will save you a lot of time, money, and nerves. No more buying expensive chemicals for insects. Hide such slices in the kitchen, bathroom, living room, or bedroom. You'll see the effects the same day. Prepare a cutting board and a cucumber. Just a regular green cucumber. First, wash it thoroughly in water. Then dry it. Now slice it into medium-thick slices. Cucumber has a scent that repels ants. The substances in the cucumber peel act on them toxically. They lose their sense of smell, orientation, and die. The content of natural repellent substances in cucumbers is invaluable. It's the cheapest and simplest way to get rid of ants. Then prepare baking soda. Apply about a teaspoon to the cucumber slices. Because of its properties, it's one of the most popular products for repelling and eliminating pests in the garden. But at home, it works great for repelling cockroaches. The soda will absorb the juice from the cucumber and strengthen its scent for insects. Transfer the cucumber slices with soda to a small plate and spread them around the apartment. Leave them in places where you've had the most problems with ants or cockroaches. Hang a bottle like this on each tree in your garden. Take a larger container and pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar, which you probably already have at home. Add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and a few drops of clove oil. Mix thoroughly and let it sit for a few hours. After that, strain the liquid using gauze. Next, take a smaller plastic bottle. Using a funnel, pour the mixture into the bottle. Take aluminum foil, tear it into smaller pieces, and crumple them into small balls. Drop them into the bottle and close it. Use a soldering iron to make small holes in the bottle, allowing the scent to escape. Prepare a piece of string and tie it to the bottle. Now just tie it to the tree. This is a quick and effective way to repel insects and pests in the garden safely. Natural ingredients like vinegar, cinnamon, and clove oil make it an eco-friendly alternative to chemical solutions. My grandpa used to tie cloth strips around every tree in his garden, and now I do the same. Let me show you how and why. All you need is an old, torn rag. Cut it into thin strips. Then prepare some cinnamon bark. Its strong scent keeps ants away. Add a handful of cloves, which interfere with ants' sense of direction. Grind the cloves into a fine powder and pour it into a container. Next, add hot water and mix well. Then add a tablespoon of powdered garlic and finish off with some mint tea. Stir everything thoroughly and let it sit for a few hours. Once it's ready, soak the cloth strips in the solution, making sure they're well saturated. Then wring them out gently and tie them around your trees. You've just made a natural, effective ant repellent. The intense scents of cinnamon, cloves, garlic, and mint will keep ants at bay, and the soaked cloth will act as a long-lasting barrier. The ants will stay away, and your tree will be safe from their attacks. It kills all pests in 5 seconds. You will need a jug or another container. Pour a liter of water into it. Take regular flour from the kitchen cabinet and add 1 tablespoon to the water. Then add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Mix everything thoroughly so that the flour dissolves and doesn't form lumps. Next, using a funnel, pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Apply the spray after sunset. Use it regularly on flowers. This will help control pests and protect the plants from their damage. You can use it on succulents, flowering plants, or regular houseplants. It combats various pests, such as aphids or spider mites. When mixed with water and dish soap, the flour creates a sticky layer that settles on insects, making it difficult for them to move and breathe. This method works naturally and safely, minimizing the risk of plant damage and reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Spray your windows with this. No more flies inside. This is hands down the best trick for keeping flies away. I mix just 2 ingredients with water and spray it around my window and door frames. This natural repellent keeps flies from sneaking into your home. And it works on mosquitoes and ticks too. You only need 3 simple ingredients, and you probably already have them at home. No need to buy expensive chemical sprays anymore. This DIY solution takes just a minute to make, and it actually works. Grab a pitcher and a spray bottle. Pour in 200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup, of water, then add 200 milliliters of vinegar. White or apple cider vinegar both work great. Stir it well. Now take your essential oil. Add about 40 drops. Peppermint, lavender, eucalyptus, or tea tree oil all do the job. Stir again. Pour the mix into your spray bottle. Spray it around your window frames, door frames, and if you have a patio door, spray that too. For even better protection, lightly mist your curtains. Thanks to this spray, you can enjoy a bug-free home all spring and summer. No more buzzing in your ears. Put cinnamon in the dish soap. This combination even surprised me. Prepare a pot and pour half a liter of water into it. Then take 2 cinnamon sticks and drop them in. Place the pot on the stove and simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the cinnamon to release its aroma and properties. Now, pour the contents into a bowl and remove the cinnamon sticks. Next, add the dish soap, which effectively removes grease and dirt, leaving surfaces clean. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which helps dissolve the grime and boosts the mixture's effectiveness. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients combine. Prepare a spray bottle and use a funnel to pour the solution into it. Cap it, and you've got a homemade spray that will solve a specific problem in the summer. Spray it on the kitchen countertop, cabinets, bathroom tiles, or even outdoor furniture. Finish by wiping everything down with a microfiber cloth, which leaves no streaks and perfectly completes the job. With this mixture, you'll not only clean surfaces thoroughly, but also make these areas free of insects or bugs. The cinnamon scent is unpleasant for many insects, creating a natural scent barrier that bugs are reluctant to cross.